this bit here. It's a bit of a mess. I'll just try and tidy it up, make it look a bit nicer. Right, cleaned away what was there. I got these blocks and 4 slabs. So these are 65 baht each, and the blocks, these are 15 baht each. I had to paint them, just painted them and sealed them. So I will dig a little bit more out, put some concrete in, place the blocks, and then put in the paving slabs. And I will also repaint this trellis, and then I'll get a nice pot and put a nice plant there. So I'll speak to you later. Right, cleared it all away, and I put this plastic barrier down to prevent the weeds coming up. So I've got my slabs, my bricks, and my concrete ready. So I'll start laying the blocks first, make sure they're level with this patio, and then I will put in the paving slabs. And in between the gaps I'll be using this pebbles. So that's the plan. I'll catch you later. Right, that's the finished product, all done. Tidied it up a little bit. Just need to get a nice pot and a nice plant to go there. So, another job done. I'll see you on the next one.